Hi everyone, it's Christina McIntosh from Macintosh Dance here. Thank you for joining me for another tutorial in Kizomba. Today we're going to be doing the vírgula or the shuffle step in Kizomba. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. So I'm going to be doing it for followers and leads. I'll start off with the followers first. Okay, so let's get into it. The vírgula step. We start with our right leg for the followers. We're going to go back with a diagonal turn, turning towards our left shoulder, turning behind us. We keep the momentum and we step with the left to turn a 180-degree turn. Yeah, and then we shuffle right, left. So we step back, a 45-degree angle, step with the left, keep turning, then we do right, left. So it'll be 1, 2, shuffle, 1, 2, shuffle. From the front, it looks like this. 1, 2, shuffle, 1, 2, shuffle. Yeah, so don't forget, we keep the momentum turning. Yeah, so this, we follow the chest. Our chest keeps moving. Cha-cha, back, back, cha-cha. Yeah, and we keep the momentum in our hips as well. So we turn. 1, 2, circle, 1, 2, circle. Let's try it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left, shuffle, right, left, shuffle. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right.
Nazunguka zunguka, natembea tembea, penzi lako ni asali, tatuliza boli.
For the leads, with your vírgula step, you're stepping with your left foot first to a diagonal, yeah? So not straight in front of you. So not straight in front of you. You're turning with your intention to do a left turn, yeah? So on the diagonal. Your right foot follows that momentum. It keeps turning, it steps right. Then you do left, right. You go left, keep turning, left, right. So step, step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle. The intention is for, on the shuffle, for your chest to speed up. That's how the follower knows that you're doing a shuffle step, is the speed in which your chest moves. So you're going to go left, right, shuffle, left, right, shuffle. Yes, you want to shuffle in the chest there, the speed movement there. Let's try that with music.
Nazunguka zunguka, natembea tembea, penzi lako ni asali.
Thank you for watching, listening. I hope you learn how to do your shuffle step in Kizomba. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for when the next video comes out. Thank you.